Therefore, because we say Narsimha there, we have Prahlad Narsimha. We are not going direct, or Lakshmi Narsimha, or Radha Krishna, or Sita Ram. They all are the energy of the devotees of the. You can't go direct. Architva tu govindam tadiya nacharetu yaha. Tadiya means devotee. Nasa bhagavato gyayam kevalam dambikaha smita. A one who performed worship of Lord Govinda but failed to worship his devotee should be understood to be not a devotee of the Lord but simply a victim of false pride. See this point? Therefore, because we say Narsimha there, we have Prahlad Narsimha. Yes, we are not going direct, or Lakshmi Narsimha, or Radha Krishna, or Sita Ram. They all are the energy of the devotees of the. Correct? You can't go direct, you have to go through them. And if you don't respect the devotees, then you don't get purified. Actually you get pride. Dambika means what? Pride. And when pride you get, what does this mean, pride? Pride goes before fall. Understand? And you are not considered as Krishna as a devotee. If you don't respect his devotees, then Krishna says, you are not my devotee. You see how everything flows. That's why he says, Tasmat Gurum Prapadyeta Jagyasu Shreyavuttamam Sabte Parecha Nisnantam Brahmani Upasham Ashrayam. Therefore, any person who seriously desires real happiness must seek a bona fide spiritual master and take shelter of him by initiation. The qualification of a bona fide guru is that he has realized the conclusion of the scriptures by deliberation and is able to convince others of this conclusion. Such great personalities have taken shelter of the Supreme Godhead, leaving aside all material consideration, should be understood to be bona fide spiritual masters. And we are fortunate, we have got who?